We have given 2a plus b equals to c. This is nothing but that is a equal sign, don't get confused. That is equal to c. We need to find the rate. So in order to find the rate of this chemical reaction, first of all we have given the compounds, that is a, that is b, and initial rate. So first we will equate them as from the rate equation. We have 2 as a constant here, 1 as a constant here, and 1 as a constant here. So we will take that and we will say the rate of this chemical equation equals to k, that is constant, into a to the power x, then b to the power y. So our rate, we know the initial rate for this first equation, then we will say the initial rate is this, then we will say k, and for a we will replace 0.05 and for b we will replace 0.05. This becomes our first equation. Further we will say that the initial rate is this. For this we have a as this, b as this. We will say it as our third equation. Then for the final rate, for like final in the equation, from these equations, the initial rate of the last equation is 0.72, which is this, and a becomes 0.02 and b becomes 0.1, which is the third equation. So we are just simply dividing equation first with second and second with third. Nothing we are doing, we are just dividing these equations with each other. So from that we can find the value of x as 1, and from this we can find the value of y as 2. Hence we can say that the rate of this chemical equation is r equals to k. For x we will replace 1 and for y we will replace 2. So the rate becomes r equals to k, a power 1 and b power 2.